유난히도 캄캄한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데
My hair, it's everywhere. Pick the fruit, assemble as the picture. This is the state of my bed right now. I got all of my clothes outside the closet and I'm gonna place it over here because every time I walk by this stupid ass mirror, I keep looking at my reflection and I get dizziness out of nowhere. So I'm just gonna cover it over here. Ta-da! The infamous chair that I know we all have in our rooms.
슬쩍슬쩍 바라보고 있네.
It's so nice.
몇 번째인지 몰라. 사람이 많은 것 같아.
I thought I was recording.
이번엔 다른 것 같아. 정말 다를 것 같아. 진지해.
I don't see people buying stuff. Everyone's just eating and drinking. Good morning. I'm having hot coffee for a change. This is for my teeth. If you drink a lot of coffee or chai, then you know it leaves stains on your teeth, and I feel like it causes dullness to your natural white teeth. It comes in a kit. This is very nice. This is very helpful because now I don't have to look for a box to store this in. I wanna use my light. That's the yellow. Looks so cozy. Yay! Quickly. Is this my best purchase or what? This is one. You know, this is also very cute. For some reason, this song is stuck in my head. I must have listened to it 500 times already in the last 2 days. I don't want to throw away the mask immediately. I just wanna, you know, do a little dab before I throw it. I feel like there's still so much product here. I don't think I put it properly. It's fine. First time. Now this. I'm not gonna use the LED device right now. Just a strip. I have to leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes. I need to call my mom. It's 9 in the morning. I need to tell her about a dream.
Your available balance is very low to make a call.
Hello? Oh, mommy. क्या कर रहे हैं? And we are done. Look at my skin shining. I mean, it doesn't shine this much usually. I think it's mostly because of this light, but still does look good, doesn't it? Here, clean up the table a little bit. It's time to remove the strips. I am loving this light.
언젠가 그려왔던 미래가 so high 언제부터인지 곁에 내가 so 있잖아 정말 괜찮은 걸까 왜 난 실수투성이인 걸까 Step by Step by Step by
Before I go to bed, I wanted to show you guys a few things I got from Rajnugatila. See? I have fallen victim to the trend of Labubu, and this is my first purchase. Kind of works like a keychain, I guess. I got this bag. I like how it's very unique, and it has these stars that are so cute. I got a few socks to wear at home because it's getting really cold. Some really cute pimple patches. This is all I got for today. So cute. And I'm exhausted. Thank you for tuning in.